Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in for TD Bank account. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search www.tdbank.com and press enter. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the right side you can see the option login. You need to click over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. All you need to do is enter your credentials, that is your username and your password. If you want to be remembered for the next time you log into your TD Bank, you can click on this option. And in case if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. Now, if your credentials are ready, all you can do is click on login and you will be successfully logged into your TD Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.